Why can't we sneeze with our eyes open? It feels impossible, and your body does it automatically. When a sneeze starts, your brain sends signals to many muscles at the same time. That includes the muscles around your eyes. In a split second, they close to protect your eyes from pressure and tiny particles. It happens so fast, you don't even notice the command. Even if you try to keep them open, your reflex usually wins. Your body is built to protect itself before you can react. Pretty amazing and shocking, right?